Beep beep, toot toot, yeah yeah. Beep toot 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 toot. Beep beep toot toot toot
Turn it
toot
up, babe.
toot.
Turn it up, babe.
That's what it sound like. That's what it meant when you're driving and you just in the wrong place at the wrong time. Toot toot, beep beep, toot toot, beep beep. That what it mean, cause you at the place at the wrong time. Buzzing around you is them damn fly. Toot toot, toot toot toot, beep 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 beep. That's the sound of a pause. When you just stop at the red light, you want to go, but it haven't changed yet. Motherfucker just blowing, cause they got to make that right. At the bank cross, but I'm still not turning right because y'all blowing. Cause I might get out my car, pump the truck on your bitch ass if you just want it. Cause as soon as I just blow up like that, police gonna come. Cause I ain't trying to be a horse like that. Toot toot, beep, 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 toot toot, 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 beep, beep, toot toot, beep, beep, toot, 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 beep, 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 beep. That's the sound of a car behind you. Ooh, can you just move on? Toot toot, beep, beep, toot toot, beep, beep. They don't want me to pop my trunk. Toot toot, beep, beep. There's some rude ass motherfuckers. Toot toot, beep, 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 beep. Toot toot, beep, beep, toot toot, beep, beep, toot toot, beep, beep. Toot toot, beep, beep. Yeah, is a motherfucker if you got a problem, want you come on and get out your car. If you wanna solve this motherfucking shit that been on your motherfucking head, whoever was driving the car, that this is my fucking best friend. Don't nobody really understand. Can you just make a grand? Hell nah, cause you don't want to beat to be all day long. Motherfucker, if you do the shit again, going ahead and pop something on you. I'm going ahead and just loot. Now you tryna wear blue. Nigga, you ain't a motherfucking real crip. Cause I shot another one. You gonna be the second one. Yeah, not the first one. Cause the first one thought he was a crip. Now he dead one. So stop claiming, stop false claiming. Before I toot beat you out this world. Toot beat.